Here's how you keep an AI voice perfectly consistent through your entire video.
Mama, the plaza is a total wreck. Those security drones just started spinning in circles. Ugh, I almost didn't make the gate. Mama, the city is acting up again. Mama, you won't believe it. The history teacher's wig actually slipped off when he sneezed during the pop quiz. He looked like a confused penguin.
You don't need to jump between different tools to make this work anymore.
People think it is really complicated, but it is actually super easy. You just have to connect the main pieces first, and then the rest makes perfect sense.
Everyone, welcome back. I'm Nova, and I hope you're all doing really well today. I'm showing you the simplest way to keep a voice consistent. It's a new method, it's fast, and it saves so much time. Let's jump in. For this workflow, I'm using Higgsfield. It's an all-in-one platform built for creators, so it has the latest image and video models and tools that are actually easy to use. They just rolled out a major audio update too. It's a hub that handles text-to-speech, voice swapping, and video translation all in one place. Since this feature is new, let's quickly see how it works, and then later I'll show you how to adapt it to your videos. Starting on the main page, just head over to the Audio tab. You'll see three main options: VoiceOver, Change Voice, and Translate. We're going to look at VoiceOver first. This is the text-to-speech section. You've got over 40 preset voices to choose from.
I am Tallulah. I offer a bold, panoramic delivery.
I'm Maya. I specialize in making information feel effortless.
I'm Killian. I believe that the best way to teach is to talk.
Or you can clone your own voice. You just need a 10-second clip or a quick recording to get it set up.
Hey everyone, thanks for joining me today. I hope you're all having a fantastic time so far.
Now, there are 3 models here, and each one fits a different vibe. 11v3. It's the most cinematic because it actually performs the script. You can even add tags like whisper or laughs directly into the text to make it sound more human.
They told us the stars were silent, but they weren't. They were waiting. Now the signal is finally reaching us. Are you ready to hear the truth? Or are you too afraid to listen?
Minimax 2.8. Best for clarity. It's super stable for long explainers and handles interjections like sighs really naturally.
Precision isn't just a goal, it's a standard. Introducing the next generation of modular architecture, where every line, every curve, and every connection is designed for the future.
Finally, we have Vibe Voice. This one is really specialized for natural-sounding, long-form dialogue.
You're not going to believe what just happened. I was just walking down the street when I saw it! The actual original prototype. I mean, come on, what are the odds? I really should have brought my camera.
Next, let's look at Change Voice. You just upload your clip and pick the voice you want, either a preset or your own clone. It replaces the original audio in the video while keeping that voice consistent throughout your entire project.
Oh, you're not gonna scare me. 我已经失去了我的部落，我已经失去了自己，我的身份. Sadece senin kıyafetlerini giyiyor olmam beni sizden biri yapmaz.
Enough. Stop playing games. Alam kong nakita mo ang lahat. Kausapin mo ako, bigyan mo ako ng isang dahilan, by uwierzyć, że nie jesteś zamieszany. Milczenie cię nie uratuje.
Then there's the Translate feature. This takes that same voice and shifts it into different languages. It's a huge time saver if you're trying to reach a global audience, because you don't have to go back and re-record anything.
Hi, yeah, can I place an order? Okay, I'll take a cheeseburger, medium fries e una limonata grande, per favore. Ah, e hai una cogne tanta...
Assaggia da me una tonta. Sì, perfecto. I got many media.
All right, you're ready. You've done this 1,000 times. أنت قوي أنت سريكة. يبنك فعل هذا.
كنت وين؟ أتاجي نفسك ما تروي تاجي.
All right, back to the workflow. I'm going to show you how to keep your characters consistent across every single scene. First, head to the image menu and pick a model. I'm using Seedance 4.5 for this one. I'll set the resolution to 2K and use a portrait aspect ratio. Here's my main character. I really like how this turned out. Now, I'm going to generate a few different angles, like side views and close-ups, plus a character sheet with different emotions. If you have these variations ready, it's much easier for the AI to keep your character consistent across every scene. I did the exact same thing for our second character, Mama. You can apply the same process to anything you need to stay the same, whether it's characters, props, or even specific buildings in your video. Now, let's jump into the video section and select Kling 3.0. Look for the @ symbol in the interface. This is the tool we use to lock in our characters. Just click it, add a new element, and upload all those angles we generated earlier. Give it a name and save it. I've already gone ahead and done this for all my characters and objects. Now, whenever you type @ in the prompt box, it calls that character. This tells the AI exactly who to focus on, so the results stay consistent every single time you hit generate. Kling 3.0 is incredible, but honestly, I think Veo 3.1 is still slightly better for natural dialogue. But Veo is only 8 seconds. Kling gives you 15, plus multi-shot features and better character consistency. If we can improve the dialogue in Kling, it's the better choice. Here's a formula to help make it much better. To get the best lip sync and emotional delivery in Kling, the structure of your prompt is everything. You want to follow this specific flow: action, then character, then emotion, then dialogue. First, describe the action using your tag. For example, the camera pans to Seb. Then, immediately use the tag again to trigger the speech. Seb says with an irresistible smile, followed by your quotes.
People think it is really complicated, but it is actually super easy. You just have to connect the main pieces first, and then the rest makes perfect sense.
The trick is to attach the emotion directly to the tag. Just write it naturally, like, @character lead laughs nervously and says. This tells Kling exactly who is performing the action and the mood they should be in before they even open their mouth. To really push the limits, I'm trying a much longer piece of dialogue here. I've started with a tight close-up and used that specific character tag right at the beginning.
Mama, you won't believe it! The history teacher's wig fell off when he sneezed in class. He looked like a confused penguin. Everyone tried not to laugh. Mama, you won't believe it!
Now for the final step to tie it all together. Click those 3 dots on your video and select Change Voice. Just pick the voice we set up at the start, and that's it. Now your character has the exact same voice across every scene.
Mama, you won't believe it! The history teacher's wig fell off when he sneezed in class. He looked like a confused penguin. Everyone tried not to laugh.
Okay guys, I've put the link in the description. If you give it a try, let me and the community know your thoughts. Thanks for hanging out today. Love you all, and I'll see you in the next one.